Homeless people, why are they homeless? Why don't they just buy a house? Today, Penis Pro, just kidding, this Phenyx Pro came through with another body pack transmitter, professional personal monitor system. Don't worry, you'll get a look at it. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna use it and see what it does and all that. Obviously, this is for performance stuff, like, you know, wedding halls and stuff like that. That's what I actually did with the last wireless transmitter. I gave my cousin and he kept it and went to New York, so it's all good. We're gonna see what's good with this one though. Phenyx Pro PTM-10 professional personal monitor system. Sounds like something you use when you have diabetes. It is Christmas time and it's must have seen. Oh shit! I thought I stabbed my cat, but she's like 12 feet away. She just ran from the plastic. Mortal Kombat stream in 2 days. I don't know why I got it up right now. Yo, smell that shit right there. It smells like paint when it's drying, or is it paint? It smells like something you get out of Home Depot. Specifications, frequencies, transmitters, whole bunch of stuff. Look at this! Oh, no logo? Okay, that's kind of disappointing, but it says open. Probably can't see that well, but open. Okay, looks like we have interesting thing. What is this? A clock cable? There we go. Now you could attach it to your water heater. Make sure, you know, instead of using PVC pipe, and comes with what looks like a female to female thing. So you could like split it or something. We have a piece of metal. Okay, yeah, it's a two-piece little thing here. Looks like it's for a rack. So if you want to hook it up and have the box on top or something, right there. This is hooked on the mount stuff. I don't know, it's interesting. And there's, I guess this is the bottom piece for the device. I don't know, let's go ahead and dig in more. Here's the device. We'll give it a better look when we're finished with everything. Here's the antenna, receiver with a bendy antenna, and a wall adapter. And we got 2 batteries. So it looks like there's no microphone, but it's a receiver to listen. We gonna figure this out. Okay, after realizing what I got here, I'm more hyped now, alright? This is a professional monitor system, just like the box says, and I didn't really grasp the attention until now. This device is a transmitter to basically listen to the things that is broadcasted from the box, alright? That means if you're an artist, you're doing a recording performance, this is what you need. You have to have this in your ear, and it'll block out sounds from other people. You'll hear straight up the beat or your song with the words on it. You're gonna hear what it says, or what, you know, what they would say if there's like a report going on, like, you know, hey, there's shooters outside. You know, it's like, oh shit, everybody duck. You know, that's what you can use this for. It's basically a device for people to tell you what to do, or to monitor, listen to the beat, your song, and perform. I'll show you what I did right here. So here's my Focusrite audio interface, and in the back I have, if I could show you real good. Oh, okay. We got better visual than I thought. Here's 2 wires from the outs into the input of this box right here. Okay? And while I'm here, I'll just tell you what these actually do. Like I feel like I did say it, but I'm not sure. I'll just make sure you know. Okay, so this monitors the headphone port. So if you want to monitor it yourself, whoever's sitting down, you could use this, listen, and change the level of it to your liking. This is the level of the inputs in the back, so you can raise it up as loud as over 100 actually, and you could feel like a little tension when you're at the highest part. It's like, okay, right here we're good. Overdrive. Here we have an LCD screen. It shows the frequency of the, you know, the thing that's gonna be captured. So if you're tuned into 923.560 millihertz, that's gonna, you know, react to the device, or the device is gonna react to this and pick it up. This is a meter to show you the decibels levels, and honestly, you don't have to have it that high for the thing to perform really well, because it works really good. Over here we have an up, down, and a set button, and over here again the power button. You hold this down and it'll turn off. When you press set once, it'll automatically look for the receiver, if the receiver's on, and connect to it. If you press set twice, it'll open up a menu to group. So if you have multiple devices, same thing with channels. Mode for stereo or mono. So if you want to use just one piece of it, you could switch it to mono and the receiver will listen in mono. So it's like both ears instead of just one side. You can even lock the device so you don't change anything about it. And then last but not least, exit to exit. Sounds simple, right? It's pretty damn cool. Alright guys, you can't see it here. Well, now you can see it. I'll hit spacebar. Right, so you can see the levels playing, and you can see in the Focusrite. I don't need that. I have no headphones plugged in. It's plugged into the receiver in the back, and notice I have that there. I'm going to show you the level here, so it can get real loud. And if I bump that all the way up, you can see it goes to 0 there. If you peak, you can barely see it, but it says peak. The top one, it's like, oh, you're peaking. So yeah, I'm gonna put it to that. And here's the receiver. Let me go ahead and pull this out for y'all. Receiver, headphones, and then it goes to this, okay? Sorry, gotta look down there on my nuts and stuff, but here's the headphones, and I'll bump it up. Can I show you better? Ain't that sick? So take a journey with me and you'll see. Hold on. I'm gonna put it on my neck and make it loud so you can hear. So there we go. I'm taking a walk with this. I'm really taking a walk. Y'all hear this, right? And look, this is from the receiver. So you could be at the other side of the continent, you know, jam to this thing. Let's see if we could get a break in the signal. And I'm sorry if it looks pretty weird, but you know, I'm weird, so deal with it. You can see, like, look, I'm out here. I'm outside. I'm outside with the digital receiver. How far can this thing go? Hopefully there's no snakes. Look! I'm literally at the corner of my house with this receiver. Okay, as soon as I speak, it starts acting up. But I'm literally at the corner of my house. I'm gonna turn this off. And that's pretty damn far, okay? I'm pretty sure you guys and girls won't have to go that far. But that's pretty damn far. Phenyx Pro, y'all did it again. Y'all amazed me. Like, holy crap, man. That was far. Pretty far. I would say at least... How far? If I could picture it. I'd say about 70 feet. 80 feet. 80 feet? That sounds good. Like 70 feet or so. That's how far it went. Y'all saw it on video. And it still received it. And then started bugging out when I talked about it. But... that's something that you can use for performances. If you're on a big stage, you can run from side to side of the stage like one of those little Uzis, or who's the other guys? I don't know, but this device is good for monitoring performances and so forth. So if you are into, you know, having a garage band or making your own performance set, this thing right here, this Phenyx PTM-10, not PTX, PTM-10 wireless monitor system is something that you could go ahead and check out and possibly buy it for yourself. But alright guys and girls, let me know what you think about this little device here. And yeah, it's your boy Justin Omoi. Once again, shout out to Phenyx Pro for supporting your boy. And with that being said, I'll see you guys and girls later. Peace. I'm out.